So we are super excited to announce several new systems at the show this week. So one of them, I'm standing right here with our hybrid mobile mapping system. So we just announced the release of this system this week at Commercial UAV. It's been a long time coming, so I can count on so many hands how many times we've been requested to build a mobile mapping system. But it's complicated. So we wanted to do the right thing, release something that was mature, well thought out on our side. So we call it a hybrid system. So what does that mean? That means you can take it from a UAV, an airborne system, and put it into a car mounted system. I think it's important to keep in mind, the same way that we kind of bridge the gap between drones and airborne applications. These are small site mapping systems. So you're taking it from a small site that you would map with a UAV and you're putting it into a mobile mapping configuration, but still small size projects. So tons of use cases that'll come out of these systems. We've actually already delivered one to a client. So we're super excited about what we've developed, and we think it's going to be a big win for our customers. So the systems that have the mobile mapping capabilities, so the first thing that you want to consider is that it needs to be a 360-degree scanner, because if you think about it, the systems that we're mounting to the UAVs, they're 360-degree scanners that we're clipping at 120-degree field of view. But same if you think about you're mounting these to a car, you're going to want to have the ability to see above. So it needs to be a 360-degree scanner. So all of our TrueView 600 series is going to have that capability. So if you're looking to do a hybrid mounted system, you're going to want to look at one of our TrueView 600 series. So common applications, I think, is obviously going to be power line collection, where they're flying the lines from the air and then also scanning from the ground. But again, it's just another perspective of collecting data. So if you're looking to fill in gaps, fill in data from the UAV, that's really where I think these hybrid systems are going to be utilized most. No, it's been so fun being at Commercial UAV this week, and we're super excited about all of our new developments and more to come. So stay tuned.